Woodworking is all about precision, control, and keeping your shop running smoothly. But what if I told you 10 genius attachments can transform your workflow, saving time, boosting safety, and unlocking new creative possibilities? Let's dive into the tools that every serious woodworker should have in their arsenal. Number 1. Tired of wrestling with hoses while you work? The Mullet ThirdHand Dust Collection Boom Arm gives you on-demand dust control. Mount it to your bench and enjoy targeted extraction exactly where you need it. Its snag-free hose drops keep your workspace clear while sanding, routing, or using a track saw. No more tripping or tangled lines. With 360-degree pivoting arms and quick-release knobs, you can position the hose with surgical precision. Whether you're soldering, grinding, gluing, or sawing, this boom arm adapts to your workflow. And thanks to its wide vacuum compatibility, it connects seamlessly to most shop vacs and dust extractors using the included bushings. Cleaner air, safer work, and total freedom of movement. This isn't just an accessory, it's a game changer for any serious woodworker. Number 2. Transform your drill or drill press into a precision spindle sander with the LINE10 16-piece sanding drum and sleeves set. Each extra long 2-inch drum mounts on a 1/4 inch shank, perfect for smoothing contours, curves, and inside holes up to 2 inches deep. Whether you're refining jigsaw cuts, rounding edges, or cleaning up bandsaw marks, this kit delivers barrel-shaped control for circular profiles and convex surfaces. Compatible with drills, drill presses, and die grinders, it's a budget-friendly way to achieve pro-level sanding without buying a dedicated spindle sander. You get 4 rubber drums in sizes from 1/2 to 1.5 inches, plus 12 sleeves in 60, 80, and 120 grit. Ready for everything from rough shaping to fine finishing. If you work with curves, this kit isn't optional. It's essential. Number 3. Ready to sculpt wood with power and precision? The GRAFF Premium Wood Carving Disc turns your angle grinder into a high-speed shaping tool for softwood, hardwood, and everything in between. Its curved design lets you level high spots and smooth uneven surfaces in just a few passes. Perfect for carving, profiling, notching, and flattening. Hundreds of carbon steel teeth deliver smooth, controlled cuts, while the original coating ensures easy handling and reduced vibration. Built from high-quality carbon steel, this disc is load-resistant and built to last, ideal for demanding projects where durability matters. Compatible with all standard 4 inches and 4.5 inch angle grinders, it fits 7/8, 5/8 inch, and M10 arbors, making setup a breeze. Whether you're shaping live edge slabs or carving rustic textures, this disc gives you sculptor-level control with grinder-level speed. Number 4. Precision starts with control, and the Magswitch Vertical Featherboard Pro delivers exactly that. This professional-grade safety attachment holds your workpiece firmly down on the table saw or bandsaw, preventing lift, flex, or kickback, especially when cutting thin stock. Its reversible magnet lets you position it on either side of the workpiece, while compressible gaskets ensure a rock-solid grip when engaged. Clamp it to the center of your steel fence or anywhere on your steel tabletop. It's fully adjustable and broadly compatible with most setups. Need extra hold? Interlock multiple featherboards for multi-point downward pressure, keeping your cuts clean and consistent. Whether you're ripping long boards or trimming delicate pieces, this tool boosts both safety and productivity. A must-have for serious woodworkers who value precision and peace of mind. Number 5. Upgrade your drill into a precision woodworking powerhouse with the Ricari's 32-piece chamfer drilling tool set. This versatile kit tackles everything, from clean countersinks to flawless plug cuts, whether you're working with wood, particle board, PVC, or even soft metals. You get 7 high-carbon steel countersink bits with fast chip ejection for crisp, pro-looking screw holes, plus an L-wrench for quick depth adjustments. The 8-piece plug cutter set hides screw heads and imperfections, while the step drill bits with titanium coating handle wood, plastic, and sheet metal with ease. For smooth 90-degree recesses, the high-speed steel countersinks deliver precision, and the titanium-coated twist bits cut faster with less effort. Whether it's drilling, shaping, or finishing, this all-in-one set means you're always ready for the next project. Number 6. Turn your oscillating tool into a precision detail sanding machine with the Talblut II 4-piece kit. You get triangle and finger sanding pad holders plus 100 assorted grit sandpapers, 60, 80, 100, 120, and 240, to handle everything from aggressive material removal to ultra-smooth finishing. The carbon steel backing plates with hook and loop fasteners make swapping pads fast and secure, while the high temperature resistance means your pads stay put. No melting, no slipping. Shape rough wood, smooth general surfaces, or achieve a flawless final finish on wood, plaster, and panels like hardwood, softwood, or plywood. Compatible with popular brands like Fine, Bosch, and Dremel, this kit covers tight corners, edges, and intricate profiles with ease, perfect for refinishing furniture, trim work, and DIY builds. Number 7. Breathe easier and work cleaner with the PowerTech Vacuum Sanding Block, your dust-free sanding solution for woodworking, auto body, paint, and drywall projects. Its built-in 1-inch OD adapter connects directly to your shop vac, pulling dust through the block as you sand. The result? Less mess, better visibility, and a smoother workflow. The lightweight body and ergonomic comfort grip handle make it easy to maneuver, while reducing hand fatigue and blister risk during long sessions. With 50 hook and loop pads and grits from coarse 40 to ultrafine 240, you can tackle rough shaping, surface prep, and flawless finishing, all with one tool. Compatible with PowerTech's premium hose kits and most wet and dry vacuums, it's a versatile upgrade that keeps your workspace clean and your results professional. A cleaner shop and a smoother finish, right in the palm of your hand. Number 8. Take your drilling accuracy to the next level with the Gohelper Heavy-Duty Portable Drill Guide, engineered for flawless straight or angled holes from 0 degrees to 60 degrees. Its dual-lock stabilization system and etched crosshair grid deliver millimeter-perfect placement, while the depth stop collar ensures every hole is consistent. No guesswork, no waste. Crafted from CNC-machined 6061 aluminum alloy, it's built to resist wear, rust, and wobble, giving you rock-solid stability on any project. Smart touches like V-groove supports for pipes, centering pins for precise middle alignment, and dual tension springs for fast bit changes make it a true workshop workhorse. Compatible with both 3/8 and 1/2-inch drills, it handles wood, metal, and composites with ease. Perfect for pros, DIY ears, and anyone serious about precision. From furniture joinery to metal fabrication, this guide turns any handheld drill into a precision drilling machine. Number 9. Unleash your creativity with the Arborate Turbo Plane, a carbide wood shaping blade that transforms your angle grinder into a powerful carving, planing, and sculpting tool. Use it flat to level large surfaces fast, or tilt it for shallow, controlled cuts, when fine shaping profiles, curves, and textures. Its precision-ground carbide edges stay razor-sharp, even in the hardest timbers, ensuring long-lasting performance and smooth, chatter-free results. Whether you're flattening a slab, refining a live-edge table, or adding unique textures, the Turbo Plane delivers speed and finesse in one tool. Compatible with most 100mm, 4-inch, and 115mm, 4.5-inch angle grinders, it installs easily and comes with a spacer washer for optimized performance. From rough shaping to flawless finishing, this blade makes wood removal fast, accurate, and incredibly satisfying. Number 10. Streamline your dust collection setup with a Huddle 7-piece vacuum hose adapter kit, the quick switch solution for connecting multiple tools to a single shop vac. With 7 precision molded adapters in multiple diameters, you can link up sanders, saws, and other power tools from different brands. No duct tape or makeshift fixes required. The interchangeable connectors let you swap tools in seconds, while built-in air relief valves give you precise suction control, perfect for preventing a tool from sealing to your work surface. A 360-degree spinning clip keeps your hose kink-free, letting you move freely around the shop without snagging. Designed for universal compatibility and maximum dust collection efficiency, it's the ultimate upgrade for cleaner air, tidier workspaces, and faster workflow transitions.